My ideal burger is a juicy, kind of thick, heavenly black pepper. I like a herb finish, I like a butter finish. I'm also gonna show you how to make an unhinged burger sauce, which I call my favorite sauce, unhinged, bruh. I do have a secret about making the juiciest burger. Shredded butter. The most important part of a burger is the meat. So we're taking some ground chuck and ground sirloin. What I didn't tell you to do, you keep a couple sticks of butter in the freezer. We're grating this sucker into our meat. This will bump up that fat content for you, and also it'll add amazing flavor. You see how it shreds when it's frozen? Look at that. We're gonna get all this in here. One of the most important parts is proper seasoning. You don't want your hand to warm up this meat, so get a rubber spat, go to town. See how this butter's folding into the meat? That's gonna be your little juice pocket of good fat content. Get your ball, meat butter, move fast, wet hands. A little Lego hand right there, just get it. A little press, tight press. It's a hotel burger, bro.
What's a hotel burger?
Dude, if you don't know about hotel burgers, a hotel burger is, for me, it's when I check into a hotel, I had a horrible travel, I'm gonna take a hot chow, and I'm hitting up room service. I'm testing out your burger, cool hotel. I do it everywhere I go. So this burger in particular is an ode to the hotel burger. These look speckled, that's exactly what you want. Keep these chill while we get our condiments ready, you feel me? While our meat's chilling, let's make this sauce. Shreddish is what we called iceberg lettuce when you shred it. Drop it in there. And you're probably like, chef, this is weird. What are you doing? It gets weirder. Bread thickens. Juicy dillies, ketchup, mustard, Dijonnaise, boom. Isn't this fun? Extra thick American cheese. This is your binder. Will you taste this, you're asking? You won't taste it. It makes everything smooth. That's all it does. This is a great sauce. And it's fun. Some people make fun of me. They may think it's crazy. I don't really care. I'm just making you guys have delicious food. This is hard. Let's take a peek. A little bit more. Oh, God, that's delicious. Like Mars Volta. Look at that. Was I playing with you? I was not. The cool thing about this sauce also, I would use this on french fries, grilled cheese, hamburgers, barbecue sando, tater tot, nachos, steak, chicken fingers, chicken sandwich. Let's put this in the fridge. Back to the burger. Come on. Beep. Burger timesies. The onion and the burger. I don't understand what happened here, but they're married. I am gonna make caramelized onions for this particular burger. What makes caramelized onions perfect to me is it's gonna boost up some sweet flavor and all that butter, salt, and pepper. Salt draws out the water and brings out the sugars in order to push it to caramelization. What goes well with burgers? What goes well with burgers? What do you think? We all know it's French fries, okay? I'm about to use some frozen fries and just stick those puppies in the oven. But we're gonna add some love to those frozen fries, all right? Time to cook burgers. You ready for this? Cast iron works best. Let's toast some bunnies. Look at that. Ha ha, Papi Chulo. This is oh God, sorry. I'm getting too comfortable. Look at that, that's what you want. Oh, these are beautiful. Haga, haga, haga. You ready for that first drop? Did y'all hear that? It's fire, dog. Fire, F-I-U, man, let's go. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Ah. I'm gonna let that continue to char up. 5 minutes on both sides. We're just cooking, we're just cooking. All right, y'all ready to see this? Check this out. Hi. You wanna come over for a burger sometime? You can see that crust building at the bottom. Oh, what are we doing with our onions? We're gonna switch out. You don't have to do this, but since we're turning it up a little bit, add any alcohol, white wine, red wine, anything you like. In this case, in my pantry, I got a little yak. What that did by adding liquid, you took all those tidbits that were sticking at the bottom and you just brought them up to your onions, giving you quick caramelization. All right, we're switching back. Butter, thyme. Who doesn't love some thyme? You're adding aromatics. I promised you juicy burgers. This is just one more step. American cheese. Oh, it's juicy. His mouth is watering.
Yeah, man.
So we're going straight to the resting rack? The cheese is starting to just cup the patty. It's a vibe, dude. It's a vibe. Let's check our fries. This is how you make frozen fries taste better. 2 garlic, smash, pepper, salty, toss, 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 toss. Get it back in there. We all make mistakes. Big handful, bunnage, saucy, shredders, burgie. Don't forget your onions, more saucy. Push, gorgeous. Stop. What I'm looking at is that delicious burger sauce. You see how when I squeeze the onions on top of that cheese? Should be that color in the middle, juicy. Those caramelized onions with the cognac you can't crush. I mean, good Lord. Ooh, buddy. There's burger squeezers and there's people who just go straight in. The cognac, juicy as well, get it out. I promised you a juicy burger. This is it. Cook along with me. You will always get that juice and that deliciousness. Look at that. It all pays off, man.
Someone say room service?
Who's in there?
I'm hungry.
Chef, come on. Yeah, I got you. I got you. Come on. Listen, hotel burgers, get in there.
Oh my gosh. Look at the
Juice. The burger sauce is made of American cheese, iceberg lettuce, ketchup, mustard, mayo, and bread.
And bread?
Yep.
Bread's in the sauce?
Yeah, take a fry and dip in the sauce to your right.
What kind of magic are you pulling
It's
over
what I call unhinged.
That is delicious.
Makes
me want to dance.
Here's to the weekend. You
TGI.
see what juicy burgers do to
TGI.
people. We go hard. Food around memories. What makes you feel comfortable? What makes your family feel comfortable? What makes your loved one feel comfortable? Is it the way you like to enjoy things? Maybe it's the way Roscoe cooks things and you watch me cook. I don't know, but whatever it is, continue that journey. Take care of your heads, homies. Remix.
Someone say room service?
Who's in there?
Is that not?
This is Ritz-Carlton, not the one in Buckhead either. We're talking New York.
Wow.
Oh.